Hi everyone, I'm artist Clare Stokolosa, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about Season 2, Watercolor Workshop Adventure in Sicily at Castellamare. It was so successful last year that we're doing it again. If you're leaving from the States, it's Saturday, September 16th, and returning on Monday the 25th. We added Shifalu this year and a little bit more. So we added an extra day to it. The PDF is attached with some references to last year, and I also have a video that captures some of the fun we had and the adventure of last year. I call it Demystifying Watercolor. It's for beginners and intermediate. Everyone's welcomed. It's all inclusive. You'll be staying in your own little apartment on the facilities, right on the sea, on the Mediterranean Sea. All meals included. We'll be traveling with a professional tour guide, and it's just wonderful. I want to let you know that the PDF is in the description and you can access it. It has all the costs. It's all inclusive. The airfare is not included, but Paola will arrange it. She is our hostess and a travel agent and native of Sicily. So all of that can be arranged. She also lives in New York, so she can really handle this very well. Any questions you may have. Soon as you arrive, you will be picked up at the airport and brought to the beautiful apartments where you'll be staying. You'll have a wonderful time. Everything is included with the meals, with the transportation, with the travel. We're in one place, we're right on the water, and then we get to do our excursions with a tour guide and a small group. It's an intimate small group. You can come on your own. You don't have to feel that you're alone. It's really wonderful, and any questions you have, just let me know. You can contact me, write a message, email me, and I'll get back to you. Hope to see you, hope you can join, and any questions you have at all, don't hesitate to ask. I hope that you come and join us, just explore and enjoy the painting, the friendship, the food, the people, the atmosphere. It's just fabulous. Any questions, contact me. All the information is in the description. Hope to see you and have a great day.